What is going on, everyone? All right, today I'm going to be showing you all how to a tutorial on how to make a breakfast sandwich. So it's really easy, it's really simple. First thing you're going to do, you're going to come inside of your refrigerator. You're going to get your sandwich. Okay. All right, you got your sandwich right here. Next, you're going to walk all the way over to your microwave. You're going to put this, oh shit. Okay, next you're gonna so you're gonna put your sandwich in the microwave just like that. You're gonna put it in there for the right amount of time. You're gonna press start. Alright, so now your sandwich is done, and it's ready to be eaten. Alright, if you all enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye!